Hello!
And welcome to our very last video of 2023. Sad!
I know.
What a magical year we've had. Oh my god, it's been amazing, hasn't it?
It has.
And we are currently at the camping and caravanning club site at Keswick. One of our favourite sites. We love it here. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's stunning. It's so good. And it's the perfect time to come. It's Christmas time.
It looks beautiful, doesn't it, Keswick?
Oh my god, the Christmas lights. They are wonderful, aren't they? And there is some beautiful pubs. They are so festive right now. How many pubs do you think there are?
Well, I've not counted them, but they seem to be everywhere. So I'm guessing at least 15, and they're all good, and they all have real ale, as far as I can see so far.
We have done some amazing hikes, and I'm not going to have to get the bikes out. But if you come in the summertime, the hiking and biking trails are just magnificent, aren't they?
This is the place for hiking and biking directly from the site. There's, I don't know, there's probably 10 hikes you can do from here easily. And bike rides.
Yeah.
You've obviously got the lake as well, so it's just activity central. But you've also got the town centre of Keswick, which is 10 minutes away. You've got
the Booth supermarket.
Yeah,
that's lovely. Really nice.
And also last night, where did we go?
Oh my god, we went to the cinema. It was amazing. We had date night, didn't we?
Kind of, yeah. It's such a nice cinema, very kind of old-fashioned, been restored. Quite small, great feel.
Oh yeah, and the people that run it have put so much love and time and effort into it. It's just lovely. So if you get the chance, go to the cinema. So we're feeling super festive, obviously. I love Christmas, as you can see. It's brilliant. Love all the lights and everything.
I brought my own lights.
Oh, I've got light envy now. I don't have any lights. I need lights.
Do you want some lights?
I'm going to have to buy something with lights.
I've not decided what lights she's going to have, but she's going to have some lights superimposed on her in the next few seconds.
I don't even want to imagine where he's put me lights.
No, just give me another idea.
Anyway, moving on swiftly. We're going to show you what we've got up to. Bear in mind, we couldn't go very far and it has been very wet and windy. Hi!
Hello!
And welcome to our very last vlog of 2023. What a magical year we've had. It's been crazy, hasn't it?
It has. And we're at Keswick to finish it off. What a fancy, one of our favourite sites actually, if not our favourite caravan and camping club site.
Oh, we absolutely love it here. Perfect, beautiful. But a bit of excitement and also a little bit scary is we're on flood alert right now. So that's why it's looking quite empty. And we're parked right at the back, so it's easy access to get out of here.
Yeah, basically, if we get the phone call at the moment, we need to be able to get back here and off-site within an hour.
Yes.
The next level after this, which they think they might go on to tomorrow,
it's called flood alert.
And
20 minutes.
Yes, 20 minutes.
You have 20 minutes to get yourselves out of here. So we're going to go and show you anyway. We're going to go into the front part and have a look, because if you haven't been here before, it is a spectacular site, isn't it?
It is.
So beautiful. And in the summer, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All about location, this place.
Definitely.
So it's right next to the lake, which is obviously comes with the issue about flooding, but also you've got the cat bells, which are over there, beautiful walk. You've got Keswick Town Centre with all the shops, bars, restaurants, which is a short walk away. You've got a bus stop that will take you to walk around Skiddaw, which is over there. Yeah, it's just lots to do here really. Oh, there's mountain bike tracks as well. And
oh, there's so much to do. In the summer we're here for ages, because obviously winter time you're restricted with the weather and also the amount of daylight hours you've got, but in the summer you can spend a whole day and it is amazing, beautiful.
so this is the cycle route that we're hoping to do while we're here. Might not happen. Not that pleasant riding in the rain. Steep section. Slippy, wet. Gotta love the outdoors to be doing this. Still, it's better than just being sat in the motorhome. that is where we are supposed to be heading for. Not sure we're going to make it. We're almost at the hour away from the campsite, so if we get the telephone call, we need to get back. We have a choice now. We can go up to the top of there, which we probably haven't got time to do because of being an hour away, although it is downhill on the way back, so we might be able to make it back. Or we traverse along the side of the mountain. It's probably getting stormy now and cold. That's the end of the circular, just heading back into Keswick now. That was about, well, 4 miles to this point.
Oh.
Yeah, 4.5, I guess,
Quite
when we get
steep.
back to the campsite.
Quite a lot of animation going up though, wasn't there? And the leaves are quite slippery. That was brilliant, I loved it. Didn't love the road, but I loved the walk. That was really good. Well done, babe.
Well, we've come across a really nice cafe, Chinty's. Really quirky, and the soup looks amazing. I've got beetroot soup and you've got parsnip.
It's lovely. Yes, so nice. And all the little mugs are handmade. It's just beautiful. I've gone for chai latte and it's the best, delicious chai latte I've ever had. Gorgeous and cheapest.
Another day.
Another wet day.
Yeah,
Very windy once more.
It is the Lake District after all. The water has to come from somewhere. We're heading towards Catbells. Probably won't do it this time, not all of it, but we'll get as much done as we can. Within the hour we're allowed to be away from site.
Yes.
First proper view of Catbell.
Big grins.
Catbells.
Yes.
And it's not in the clouds at the moment, which is fantastic. And so starts the ascent. Well, we have a view. Hurrah!
Great little stop for lunch. Now we're going to go into Keswick. Come on, are you coming?
That's where my years of watching Tarzan as a kid comes in.
Mental, absolutely mental.
So we've just been to Chinty's for some 5 minutes coffee and cake, and now we're in the Dog and Gun. Cheers. Great pub this is.
You walk from a real pub, it's really Christmassy and just like, it's just lovely, isn't it? Nicely decorated. Very nice. One of our favourites, Dog and Gun. So I hope you enjoyed that little video that we put together of what we did while we were here. 2023 has been fantastic. We've managed to use Katie loads, haven't we? And we've done loads during the year, so we're going to show you those now. Just little things of what we've got up to.
March, we went skiing for the first, not the first time with Katie, but the first time we bought our own skis, and we spent a few weeks there. We went to Salden, Caesar Arm, and then we basically
had a major meltdown.
Yeah.
I actually made Andy carry my skis down while I walked down.
And unfortunately that meltdown melted the snow, so then there wasn't much snow around to do stuff, but we had the bikes in the back and the boots, so we went hiking and biking.
Oh yeah, that was fantastic, brilliant, because we tend to go quite high, and the higher you get, the more snow you're going to get.
Yeah, so we ran into snow and a few dead ends along the way, but it was fun. It was an adventure.
Brilliant. Oh, every time we go out, babe, it's an adventure. It's amazing.
and we did lots of hiking and biking. But then we're at home, we became grandparents.
Yes, Grandpa.
Posh Cats rally, and we also did
really good.
Herman Hits the Road
Yes.
rally. They were really good. Doolittle meetup as well. Yes.
Yeah, because they got married. Congratulations.
Of course we did, went to London, saw Pink.
Oh, that was amazing. That was so good, wasn't it?
Yeah. Italy, we did the Dolomites, which are fantastic. We did Austria.
Yes.
Oh, it was just superb.
Oh, it was so lovely. I thoroughly recommend it. You're going to see all the videos coming up because we did ask you actually on a previous video not long ago. Most of you have said you want to see our upcoming videos of our summer tour, don't you? So that's what we're going to put out first, and then all our New Zealand and everything will come out afterwards.
You will not be disappointed. So I think that's a roundup for our year, isn't it?
I think it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think we'll finish it off there. We just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and thank you so much for subscribing and following all our journeys and our travels, and the interaction we absolutely love as well. It's been magical. So thank you so much. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.